and the rough. Early lead is taken by the reason why by the rail. Kay and Die moving up on the outside. It is now Kay and Die in the lead, followed by the reason why and Camela Bang by the rail. And nearing the far turn, it's the reason why in the lead, followed by Kay and Die. It's Kay and Die in the lead. And Jacqueline's Diamond now moving up on the outside. It's Kay and Die, followed by Jacqueline's Diamond. The reason why running in third by 3.5 lengths, Camela Bang and Blue Material. The last bend for home, it's Kay and Die in the lead, followed by Jacqueline's Diamond. The reason why moving up on the farther outside. The top research still Kay and Die, followed by Jacqueline's Diamond. The reason why moving up on the outside, Camela Bang by the rail. And into the home stretch and hitting the payoff line, it is still Kay and Die in the lead, followed by the reason why on the outside in Jacqueline's Diamond. And finally at the payoff line, it's Kay and Die, the reason why Jacqueline's Diamond, Camela Bang, Blue Material.
Mukhang medyo